Morning, students. I hope you all are fine and doing well. Okay, so we are learning about triangles, and yesterday we learned about what is 45, 45, and 90-degree theorem, and what is 30, 60, and 90-degree theorem. Okay, and today we will learn about what is median. Now, this median of a triangle is a segment. Okay, we will see what does this median mean. But can you see this triangle? This triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, and now see this line AD. Okay, now this segment is joining this vertex A to the midpoint of this line BC. Okay, and this midpoint is D. So the segment joining a vertex and the midpoint of the side opposite to it. Now this BC is opposite to this vertex, right? So segment joining this vertex and side midpoint of the side opposite to that vertex is called median of a triangle. Okay? So the segment is a median. Okay, and now we are going to study one very important property of this segment, that means median. And now the property of a median drawn to the hypotenuse of right angle triangle. Okay, so in this activity we are going to measure this length BD, measure this length AD. Okay, I am going to keep my scale like this. Now if we try to measure this length, it is 1.1. Okay, and now I am going to measure this AD also. It is also 1.1. So what does this mean? This means the length of AD is equals to the length of BD. So that means the length of the median, this AD is a median, is equals to the half of the length of the hypotenuse. Why I am saying half? This will be half of BC. Why I am saying half? Because this D point is the midpoint of this segment BC. Midpoint means it is dividing this BC into two equal parts. Okay. So length of the median will be equal to half of its hypotenuse in a right angle triangle. Okay, I hope you have understood. You are supposed to write this in your notebook and send it to me on WhatsApp. Now look at this. We are going to prove this theorem. So first I am going to write down given things. What are the given things? That this angle ABC is equal to 90 degree and this BD is a median. Okay, now we need to prove that this BD is half of the hypotenuse. Okay, so to prove, you will write along with me that this BD is equal to half of the hypotenuse, means AC. Okay, so for that we are going to construct few things. So in construction, you write down that take a point E on BD. Okay, for that you will have to extend BD. Okay, take a point E, write down, on BD, such that now this BD should be equal to this DE. Okay, you have to take a point E on a distance such that this distance will be equal to this distance, such that this BD is equals to DE. And now we are going to draw this line EC, which is parallel to AB. Okay, now in the proof, now see, we have got these two triangles. Yes, so in triangle ADB and triangle EDC, this and this, okay, this side and this side are equal, right? Segment AD is congruent to segment DC. Why? Because the median divides this into two equal parts, right? So as D is the midpoint of this AC, these two are equal. Okay, and what about this? These two are also congruent, because from the construction we have drawn this such that this segment BD is congruent to segment DE.